First of all, usually I'm very brief talking, so this is a thing that can happen, that my chat can be brief than an hour. But in any case, I will try to share with you, and I will invite you to interrupt me and ask for details of everything I was saying that. So, first of all, I will introduce myself, and I will introduce the center where I am working. So I have a background in electronics and a degree in physics, and my PhD was in mechanics and materials, but the scope of my PhD thesis was about tremor suppression using mechanical approaches. So all of this a little bit far from physiological signals, but I will explain later why I arrived to the physiological signals and physiological computing. My current position is senior researcher at IBB, and this is more or less in few words what I was doing in pieces of 5 years. First, I was working in design of assisted products basically for companies. And then I spent some years working in exoskeletons for rehabilitation and for neurorehabilitation. And partly due to some of these projects, I started to work in human-computer interfaces. And well, I put here from 5 years and 5 years, but this is in reality comes from these last years. I has been nominated by the subdirector of my center as the key person to lead physiological signal analysis from this year on. So the IBB is an RTD center. It has a long history for Spanish standards. So it started just 1 year after the death of our dictator in the 1976. And it began a university research center, and then it transferred to a RTD center devoted to the regional government of Valencia. That means that the scope of the center has changed from pure research to applied research and innovation. So basically, our mission is to push and transfer the knowledge of RTD to companies, and that made our project a little bit different from more academic